This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a work permit extension in Canada as a refugee. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. We will cover eligibility, essential documents, and the step-by-step application procedure. Understanding each stage is crucial for a successful submission. By the end, you will feel confident about extending your ability to work and contribute here. Let's get started on securing your future. To begin, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria as a protected person or refugee claimant. You will need your current work permit and proof of your protected status. Gather your valid passport or travel document, along with any identity documents. If your permit is employer-specific, a new job offer letter is essential. Some occupations may also require a recent medical examination, so check if this applies to you. The application process is primarily online. First, create an account on the official government website. Carefully complete the application form, ensuring all sections are filled accurately and truthfully. Next, upload clear digital copies of all your supporting documents. Finally, pay the required fees. The application fee is $255, and the biometrics fee is $85. This ensures your application is fully processed. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation. If you haven't already, you will be instructed to provide your biometrics, which is a crucial step. Regularly check your online account for updates on your application status. While awaiting a decision, you might be eligible for implied status, allowing you to continue working under the same conditions. This period ensures continuity as your extension is processed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.